Hello and welcome to episode 16 of Global Journeys Navigating Immigration. I'm Sam Bayat, and today we are discussing an often overlooked but critical aspect of immigration: organizing and safeguarding your immigration documents. Proper document management is essential for navigating complex visa processes, maintaining legal status, and ensuring a smooth transition to your new country. Let's break this down into key strategies and best practices. 1. Identify key documents. The first step is knowing which documents are essential for your immigration process. These typically are passport, travel documents, and make sure these are valid at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Visa, immigration forms, a birth certificate, marriage licenses, education diplomas, and transcript. These may need to be evaluated by credential assessment services like WES, World Education Services in Canada, or NARIC in the United Kingdom. Employment record, job letters, employment verification, and pay stubs, police certificates are often required for background checks. Medical records, vaccination certificates, and the result of any medical examination. Financial document, bank statement, tax return, proof of asset, or affidavit of support. Correspondence with immigration authorities also are important. Keep letters or emails from immigration officials. Having a complete list ensures you don't miss anything critical during the application process or when traveling. 2. Organize your documents. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, organize them systematically. Use a binder or folder system. Group documents by category, such as financial records, education credentials. Use divider or label tab to separate each section for easy access. For example, one section could contain all visa-related forms, while another holds financial record. Consider color coding folders for each family members if you're immigrating as a family. Create document inventory. Make a checklist for all required documents. For instance, this like passport and the validity, IELTS test, and the score. Regularly update this inventory as new documents are added or old ones are expiring. 3. Digital scanning and backup. In today's digital world, having an electronic copy of your document is just as important as keeping physical ones. Scan all documents. Use apps like Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner to create high-quality PDF of your documents. Ensure scans are clear and legible, especially for official forms like passport or visas. Store in a secure cloud storage. Use services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to store digital copies securely. And for added security, enable the two-factor authentication of these accounts. Consider encrypting storage options like Transport if handling sensitive information. Keep backup on external drive. Keep copies on an external hard drive or a USB stick as an offline backup. 4. Protect your documents. Safeguarding your documents is crucial to prevent loss, theft, or damage. Store originals in a fireproof or waterproof safe at home. Use travel document organizing when carrying paper abroad. Keep originals separately from copies while traveling. Leave copies with a trusted family member or friend in the case of emergency. Use strong password for a cloud storage account and encrypt sensitive files when possible. Avoid accessing cloud storage over public Wi-Fi unless using a VPN. Regularly review who has access to shared files. 5. Regular maintenance. Immigration journey can take months or even years, so it's important to keep your records up to date. Set reminders to review your expiring documents like passport and visas well in advance. Periodically review your document inventory to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Dispose of outdated documents securely by shredding them. 6. Traveling with documents. When traveling internationally, follow these tips. Carry only the necessary original documents with you. Passport, visa approval notice. Keep other originals safely stored at home. Bring multiple photocopies of key documents in case they are requested by authorities during transit. Secure digital backups on a secure cloud platform so they are accessible if needed. 7. Handling documents requests from authorities. Immigration authorities may request additional documents at various stages. Here's how to handle such requests effectively. Always provide clear copy unless originals are explicitly required. Keep a log of all interactions with immigration authorities, including dates and details of requests made. If unsure about any request, consult an immigration lawyer before submitting sensitive information. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're applying for permanent residency in Canada throughout the express entry. You need to submit proof of work experience. This includes reference letters from previous employers detailing job duties, salaries, and employment duration. If these letters aren't readily available, start requesting them early. Keep scanned copies saved in both cloud storage and external drive, so they're accessible when needed. Organizing and safeguarding your immigration document isn't just about staying organized. It's about ensuring peace of mind throughout what can be a stressful process. By following the strategies, you'll be prepared for every step of your journey. In our next episode, we'll explore language preparation, resources, and a strategy for learning the language of your destination country effectively. Until then, I am Sam Bayat, reminding you that preparation is key in the world of immigration. Stay informed, stay organized, and take control of your journey.